ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ಸವಿಮಂಡ್ಯ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಮಾಡುವವರು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ತರಬೇತಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯ.
Hello children, good morning one and all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Rupashri, facilitator of English from KPS Akeshwaranagara, Mandya, Mandya Diet. This is from Mandya Diet Studio. Welcome you all. Do you like stories? Yes, of course. Today I am going to narrate an interesting story. Before going to that story, I want you all to imagine a situation. Are you all ready? Yes. One day, only you and grandma were at house. It was late night. You know what happened? When you were sleeping in the bed, suddenly you heard a noise. Because of that sound, you got up from your bed. You peeped through the window. There was a thief. What will you do in such a situation? Will you sleep silently, scared on the bed? Or will you take brave step? Will you take all your courage? Will you be bold enough to trap the thief? What is trap? Yes, to catch the thief. Will you try to catch the thief somehow? That should be the spirit. Yes, you need to be brave enough. In the same way, today you're going to listen to an interesting story about a boy called Dheera. What's the name of the lesson? Yes, this is Leg Trap. Leg Trap is written by Manorama Jaffa. Manorama Jaffa was an writer of stories for children like you. She has written many interesting stories, right? Today, let's know what's there in this Leg Trap story. Excited? Yes. See the picture? Observe the picture. There is a boy. What's the name of the boy? I said earlier, that's Dheera. Dheera was a hard-working boy. There is shoe shine boy. What do you mean by shoe shine boy? One who polishes the shoes. Yes, he was a very poor boy. He also had lost his father. He used to live with his mother and sister. So he used to earn money by polishing the shoes. Got it? Shoe shine boy means one who polishes the shoes. He used to sit in front of the cinema hall, and whoever comes to get the polish of shoes, he used to do the polish and earn money. One day, you know what happened? A passerby, while he was going on the way, gave an interesting news for the boy. Dheera, somebody has stolen from the jewelry shop and taken away the jewelry, and he escaped. Sounds interesting for him. So what does he do? He was about to know more information about that. But as he was getting the information, you know what happened? A customer came and he asked Dheera to polish his shoes. He said, "You can polish my shoes nicely, neatly. There is nothing to hurry. I have got ample time." But after some time, Dheera is still in the thought of that theft. Who has stolen? How would the thief be? How was the thief? Where he had gone? He was thinking all about this. As he was in this thought, the customer got angry. Now Dheera noticed that two policemen were coming. Now the customer became very angry. He told, "Dheera, what are you doing? Hello boy, polish my shoes properly. Only 5 minutes remains for the show." Now Dheera became cautious. So let's see what happens afterwards. So he finished polishing one shoes. He asked for another leg for him to keep. As he kept another leg, what happened? You know, one interesting thing happened. What was that? When he observed the shoes, there was something peeping out of the shoes. So what was there in the shoes? It was nothing but a gold necklace. Now, immediately, with the presence of mind, with the proper time sense, what Dheera did? Dheera just tied the lace of the shoes. By tying the lace of the shoes, he went running to the policemen who were coming over there. Now, yes, you guessed rightly. You came to know he is the thief. Who is the thief? The thief is none other than the man who came for having shoe polish, so-called customer. He is none other than the thief. Right. So when this was the situation, the man became very angry. He tried to escape. He tried to move forward. But what has happened? His shoelaces are tied. What will happen if your shoelaces are tied? Yes, you will fall down. The same thing happened. The policeman came and Dheera was successful in helping the policeman to catch the thief, to trap the thief. Very interesting, no? Very excited listening to the story. Dheera, you don't want to become such a brave boy like Dheera. That's good. Dheera was rewarded by the police, the jeweler, and also school will be there, no school staff. Everyone were so happy and he was rewarded even with a medal. He was honored by giving a medal. For what? It is for his bravery. Right? You all enjoy the story? Along with enjoying the story, what you must learn from this? You must learn that you must be ready to face any situation. It may be accident, it may be floods, it may be any other such challenging situation. How you need to face that situation. Listen children, thank you all. I hope you enjoyed it. Now here is a task for you. What you have to do, I hope you can see here, this is the activity. You have to rearrange the jumble lines for the story. But you are quite lucky. If you observe the lines, see what is that? All the lines, it's taken from the previous slides, that is, which is given with the picture. You just rearrange it according to the incident or the story, how it happens. Will you all do it? Yes. Hope for the more, and there are many other more videos to come related to this lesson. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.